Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Let's solve the problem sort array by parity. So in this problem, given an array A of non-negative integers and we have to return an array consisting of all the even elements of A followed by all the odd elements of A. You may return answer array that satisfy this condition. So we can return any array, but all the even number of elements from the A should comes first, then all the odd number of elements. So for example, here we have a array 3 1 2 4. So this is odd, so this should go in the end. This is odd, this should go in the end. Then this even. So this one of the answer is 2 4 3 1. Another answer can be 4 2 3 1. So order doesn't matter, we have to return any answer. So let's understand this problem over here. So we will solve this problem using two pointer approach. So first pointer we will start from I equals to 0, which is start of the array, and another pointer we will start j from the end of the array, so which is length n minus 1. So we will loop this array until I less than j. So where I will track all the even numbers of the array we are getting in the starting, and the j will track all the odd number from the end, and if there is not that case, we will swap the element. So how we will solve this problem? So first, for I equal to 0, we will check if A of I is even, we just simply, if it is even, we will just simply increment I by 1. And if it is not the case, then we will check else if A of j, if A of j is odd, if the last element is odd, we just simply decrease j by 1. And if it is not satisfy both the condition, which means like here it is even I, we will increment I will be here. Here it is odd, the j will decrease, j will be here. So now A of I is odd, not even, and A of j is not odd. So these two elements are not satisfying. We will, in the else case, we will swap them. We will swap these two elements, like 3 will go to here and 4 will come to here. And after swapping, we will increase both the point, like I by 1 and j decrease by 1. So this is how we will solve. So once it done, then we will have 1. So 1 and 2 again, this is also needs to be swapped to each other. So this will return us answer is 6, then 4, then 2, then 1, then 3 and the 5. So this is how we sorted this array, like even followed by the odd. So this is very simple problem and it's like straightforward. So let's quickly implement the code. So for code, we just use the two pointer, int I is equals to 0 and j is equals to a dot length minus 1. Then we will loop over while I less than j, continue do it if A of I modulo 2 for checking the even is 0. In that case, we just simply increment I. Else if A of j, the last element where the jth index is there, is odd, if it is odd, which is like modulo with 2 is 1, then we decrement j by 1. In all other case, we will swap the element, like swap, we will write a helper method swap passing the A index I, and then after that we need to increment that I and j minus minus. So let's write the helper method private, return type is void and name is swap, and it will get array A and index I and index j. So here we just use a temporary integer type, first store the value of A of I, then update A of I with A of j, and then update A of j with the reference temp variable value. So this is the swap code. Once it swap, this will run. So this I plus plus will be incremented after swapping and j minus minus happen after incrementing. This is I am using post operators like post sum plus plus and post minus minus. Once it done, in the after the end of while loop break, we will return the array A. So this is the simplest implementation. Let's compile the code and let's try the few base cases like empty array, array with single element, array with both odd element, array with let's say mix element and so on. So if we compile, it should pass the test case. It's getting passed. So now, yeah, this order doesn't matter, but we are getting all the even first followed by the odd. So we can submit this code, it will be accepted. So what is the time complexity? If you see, in worst case we will run over all the n elements, so it is O of n, and the space complexity we are just using two constants, so it is O of n and O of 1 space complexity. We can also do this problem in a, we can write the code in one line as well using the Java 8 stream and the stream method. So let's write this code in a one line. How we will just simply return. So first of all, we will make the stream arrays dot stream from the A, then we convert this, like integer is like this int data type, primitive data type doesn't have that comparator sorted method with comparator. So we have to convert this into the object integer, which is we will use the boxed method here, and then after that we will use the sorted method, and in sorting method we will get, let's say, two in numbers A and B, then we will just return integer dot compare A modulo 2 with B modulo 2. So this is how we are using. So if it is a even, this will return 0. If it is a odd, this will return 1. So all the even number comes first and then the odd number. Once it done, after sorting we will again map to int. Like right now we have integer object, now we need to map back to the small int. So we will just use a lambda I of I, then we will collect two array using the two array method, and this will make the integer array and it will return. So let's compile this code, one line code. So it is working. So for easy reading we can write this code like this. We will put everywhere like this, every cases. So this is here. So this is will be more readable than the one liner is like very big line. So here first we make the stream, then we boxed from primitive data type to the object, then we use the sorting method based on the even odd, and then we converted back to the primitive data type because we have to return primitive array, and we collected as an array. So let's submit this code, one liner code, and this is the judging and it's accepted. So the time complexity and all are same. So thanks. If you like my solution, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for getting the early notification whenever I upload the new videos. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.